Hello, my name is Dr. Chaundra Creekmur, and I'm the coordinator for Science and STEAM for the Richmond County School System. So this is our third annual STEAM Community Showcase. It's a major component of our STEAM initiative for the Richmond County School System. We started off with just bringing community partners in so that parents and students can understand how what they learn in the classroom translates to the real world. But slowly we started to infuse our students and the things that they're learning so that other students can still see exactly how the careers in higher education correlate directly to what we're learning. The reason for that is we want our students to understand the importance of gaining all they can in the classroom to prepare them for life beyond the classroom. I think that when we have greater buy-in from parents, really understanding what's happening in the schools, we can get greater volumes of parental support. And again, even for our students, when they know the why, when they sometimes know the end goal, it helps them become more engaged, invested, and involved in their own educational process. We even had parents here at 9, but we put the flyer, definitely says 11 a.m., but I think it's a testament to the excitement that the students have. We have a lot of kids that have come back and even brought additional friends and family with them. We a lot of times have family members and friends come over across the river from South Carolina just because they got wind of it and they just want to participate. People tend to think that STEM and STEAM are totally different. We just added the A, we added the arts. And the reason why Richmond County took on that approach is so that we can really lean on what we put out in the community, which is every learner, every day. And so you have to add the arts in to reach those students that excel in that area. Research shows that when students are taught in an interdisciplinary format, they tend to have greater yields of academic achievement. And so with focusing on STEM only, like I say, we do leave out the arts, but we want to make sure that all of our students have an opportunity to be successful.